Today I'm showing you how to make a classic Turkish gluten-free pudding called Keşkül. But as Valentine's Day is just around the corner, I'll just modernize it a tiny bit. Here we go. First off, you'll need to have some almond meal, add rice flour, sugar, and some milk to that. Give that a good stir to avoid any clumping down the line. Now get the rest of the milk to a boil and add our almondy mixture in there. And keep stirring, stirring, stirring and stirring to avoid any kind of sticky situation. At this point you can add a bit of vanilla if you like, but it's really up to you. When the pudding starts to thicken, give it a bit of a boil and turn the heat off. Now for my revamping. I'm filling the pudding into these adorable silicone muffin cups and let them cool out in these. This pudding doesn't really set like the others because of the rice flour and the overall ratio of it, so I'll need to be careful. And the rest of the pudding just gets into my normal glass cups. As I want to cover them in chocolate completely, I spread some molten chocolate as a base and let that set. Alrighty, so I put these in the freezer for a bit so that it is solid, and now it will get a chocolate treatment all around. Gotta act fast because it's cold and it will freeze the chocolate real fast. No. Let's just say my first try in covering it was a fail, so I opted to do little strokes to give this a bit more, let's say, intentional texture. And it helped that the mold had already ruffled edges. Patch it up where it needs patching up. Apart from that, I'm liking this. I like this rustic look. And now, the moment of truth. Nice. Now we get a soft pudding inside with some neat chocolate. It's just perfect. Apparently I had the pudding a bit too long in the freezer and that kind of caused the chocolate to sweat. It looks kind of wet. It's totally unintentional, but I actually like how it looks. It gives it a cool feeling. It doesn't taste different. That's something at least. But if you want to have this truly gluten-free, you might want to check the chocolate. Sadly, many chocolates do have some kind of gluten in it, so you really want to check it if you have an intolerance. I didn't check mine because I'm not gluten intolerant. My husband is neither, so it didn't matter for us. I truly hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know if you want to see more Turkish classic desserts or even modern ones. Just write down in there in the comments. By the way, I do have a Patreon, so if you would like to support this channel, it would be much appreciated. Liking, commenting and subscribing just goes a long way as well, so I'm not begging for your money, but if you want to support me, I'm okay with that. I wouldn't say no. So I hope you have a delicious weekend and see you whenever. Bye!